How to make your profile private in Ludo King. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can make your Ludo King profile fully private. First of all, launch open your Ludo King game on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top left corner. This will open up settings where you'll need to look for the search privacy option. Tap on the button right next to search privacy and select private. Once you choose private, no one can find your profile when they search you by the name. Now don't forget to click save. Tap the save button at the bottom to save your changes. And there you go. That is how you can easily make your experience private in Ludo King. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.